Good everyone, Maazi Ezeoke here. Today is the 22nd of April 2020. This guy is a Nigerian guy. He is in London and is on rampage. He is in one of those most expensive apartments in London. Clearly, he's one of those plutocrats. But hey, here in London, everywhere has been on lockdown in the last 4 weeks. He's lost his mind. I can tell you that his mental state is, at this moment, questionable. He just packed loads of gun and he started shooting in the air, and he's telling people to call the police and using the foul language, the F language. People, be careful. Not everyone you see on this lockdown is normal. Do not go out, stay in your houses. You will be safe.
I
Just
see
watch
them. They roar. They don't want to be us. They're crazy. Call. Tell them. Tupac Shakur. Call me the fucking cops. They're mad. Now me be do. They're crazy. They're mad. There's the fucking police. They're mad. I don't blow tools everywhere now. Nobody. They don't feel call Koti. Call me police. Now tools that they blow.
He's fucking aiming down here, man. You don't know the guy's name, do you? No.
Top floor, apartment 95.
Apartment 95.